Hey, Raf here from the Subaru podcast, here to do an install from Screen ProTech. They sent me these protection screens for my infotainment center and then also for my instrument cluster for the tachometer and the speedometer. So I'm here to do a little install of these. Thank you so much, Screen ProTech. I'm looking forward to getting these on and trying them out, see how they work out. All right, so in here, in this little tube, you have your protective films. I have one for the screen here, the 6.5-inch screen, and then there is also this one here, which is for the instrument cluster, which goes in there. So we'll get this one in here in a little bit after we do the screen first. So might end up taking a couple of takes for this, but in the kit you also have a little bottle with solution. So the bottle comes with solution in it. It doesn't look like there's anything in it when you take it out, but there is a little bit of solution at the bottom, some soapy solution. So you just fill it up with water, shake it up some. It's got a cap on it, so you just take the cap off and use it to clean the screen, and then also to put on the films as well. So that, and then you also have this little microfiber cloth to clean everything, and then a squeegee to squeegee the water out. And this is nice because it's rubbery, so it'll be nice and soft as you're squeezing the water out, the excess solution out. So that'll work out well. So let's go ahead and give this a little spray here. Get this screen nice and clean. And you want to peel this away from this, and then also spray your solution on both sides. And that way, if you've got it on there, spray a little bit on there too. And if you need to adjust it, you can. Let's see if we can get this on here just right. Oh, look at that. It's a perfect fit. So we've got that on there now. Just take this, start in the middle, go out to the edges, like that. Same on this side. This stuff is always intimidating to me, but then I do it, and then it's all good. There we go. Should be able to get all of that out. And then this has to cure overnight. I believe it's like 24 to 48 hours, but it will cure, and then you can use this to wipe up any excess on there. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Go ahead and try to get a little more of this out. And so far it's looking good. So now we've got that set, we can let it dry, and then I'm going to do this area here at a different time because it's getting dark and I want to let this cure and see how it works out. But yeah, so that's it, and we'll see how they do.